Want to hit 1,000 YouTube subscribers in just one day? It sounds crazy, but with the right explosive strategy, it's possible. Here's your game plan. First, build massive hype around a single event. Think of a can't-miss live stream, a huge giveaway, or a collaboration with another creator. Promote this everywhere for at least a week. TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Create that fear of missing out. Next, your content has to be super shareable. Make a short, high-impact video that jumps on a trend or tells a powerful story. Your title and thumbnail need to be so good people can't resist clicking. Finally, during your big event, make your call to action impossible to ignore. Tell everyone your goal is 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours and ask them to help you get there. Make them part of the mission. Ready to give it a shot? Let's go!